Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use the red color. O-N-E 2, T-W or 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids neither 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7. Kids neither 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids neither 9, the numbers of 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E and 10. Kids neither 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color, 12, the numbers of 12, 13, the numbers of 13. Kids neither 14, the numbers of 14, 15, the numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.